All right, here's the pre-intro. We're driving around with this junk running on the trailer. She wouldn't start this morning. We're supposed to be heading to Lewis. Yeah, we hooked it up 200 amps to give it a nice kick in the ass, and that wasn't working until it did. Eventually it did. We got it running. Next issue before we head out.
Sorry.
We gotta try and load this here. That there.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
If it fits, it ships. So that's it for the pre-intro. We'll do a proper intro at Lewis. What is up, guys? We are at F.A.R Off-Road, finally. We were supposed to do this last week, but we got F by the snow. Kinda got a little F today by some other things, which you already saw. Battery issues, all that shit. But Steph kinda had an idea for a new name for what we're doing here with this. The reason it's here, we're calling this Project Shit Show, because this thing is literally a shit show now. Anytime you touch it, something breaks. There's more suspension stuff. If you watch all our videos, you saw what happened with the simple spring setup we were trying to do. We'll get into that in a different video. But in that video, we did find the shock mount, the bolts.
Sometimes, hold on. You need to talk less with your hands there, Guido.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Yeah. I just don't know what to do. Don't sniff them.
The mounting holes for the front shocks are all lopped out, and we're gonna gusset them. Well, Lou's gonna weld in some gussets. Yep. We're gonna do the rear fender delete and all that stuff, but we're starting with the gusset kit, and that's mostly what is gonna be in this video, I guess. We don't really have a set plan for today, but quit looking at my hands.
Well, you keep moving
staring
them.
at my hands. So basically, we're gonna start on shit showing this.
To the best of our abilities.
Yeah, Project Shit Show.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have problems.
That's pretty much it. We're gonna take all these plastics off, I guess, and or as much as we need to.
T40 time.
Yeah, it's definitely T40 time. And then
What time is it, dude?
We need some cutters too for all the zip ties.
oh yeah,
We got cutters.
T40s and zip tie cutters.
We'll get the torch out. We'll make it happen.
Time lapse.
No.
So all the plastic's off. We got the hardware loose for the tops. Got the limit straps off. A mistake we make every single time. We jack it up with those on and create a situation. So next, we're gonna jack this thing up. We're gonna hopefully swing these guys out a bit and lean this back as much as we can. And we'll see if Lou has enough room to put the gussets in. And if not, we're going to take more shit off. But that's the next plan here.
So,
Pump it.
Oops.
Jesus.
I got a magnet.
Oh, gosh.
It's not just the machine that's a shit show. I'm a shit show.
Wallowed out like a move.
See the hole?
See the girth of that hole?
Wow.
Yeah.
She's girthy.
So yeah, last time we couldn't get a camera to focus on that, but
Oh yeah,
the
because
problem.
then she's supposed to look like that now, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's supposed to be round.
And
Yeah.
both sides are a little
Not oblong.
are a little egged out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only double the size.
It's not tripled.
So,
So this could also be one of my mysterious clunks that comes from this side. We have had in the past where my A-arm mounting holes for the lower was basically like this. And we put this brace on from High Lifter. We put new bushings in because of all the A-arm movement. Those got all lopped out. You could actually just take the lower A-arm and just shift it back and forth. And I kept hearing all these clunks. And I keep fixing stuff. And I still had a clunk. And it could be this. And every time it was clunking, it was probably making it worse. So we tried to tip them back enough. And it's not going to be enough. So we're going to just pull the whole shock out. So if you did not see our previous video, whatever one it was in, with this, when I first talked about this is the gusset kit. This is just from Super Atv. It's just got a wide variety of different gussets you can fix holes with. So I think it's like 3/16 thick, and we're just gonna figure out which one will fit, and then Lou's gonna weld it in, and then hopefully this doesn't happen anymore.
Well, that fits.
That fits.
I feel like I'm at the
Better
nail
have a round or
salon.
a square.
It's like,
Round.
So it looks like any of these are all 10 mil. It looks like
Taking
this one.
Yeah. Pop out your candy with the advent calendar.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Oh! Now you done it.
punching it for you.
Come on, dude.
Trying to not slice my finger.
Yeah.
I have those.
Those ones are in there. Look, I got this one out.
Yeah. Hit it with a hammer.
I think so. Oh
That the ticket?
yeah. I'm thinking so. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get a bolt that'll fit through.
And just to hold it.
Hold it. We'll tack it. Pull the bolt out.
Try again, Jeremy.
Oh, this side.
Dude, you're gonna cut your finger.
Yeah. Here.
Doesn't learn.
Yeah, some of them are fucking. That's a clean hole.
Here's where we're at. We got the gusset bolted in, hold it in place, like so. And yeah, Lou's just gonna weld her in now. Oh, I'm gonna have to get new hardware anyways.
Oh yeah. It's
So-
gonna be longer.
Yeah. So they're tacked in now, but the back one has a burr on the ID. So Lou's getting something to clean that up real quick so we can make sure the bolt goes through. It looks like it will, but it's yeah, this back one just has a little burr on it, stopping us. Oh, well, you've been running around here zooming in on everyone's nose hair, so I figured I'd do the same for you. Little burr bit for the win, right? Yep.
Monies. That's what we needed.
Word.
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 That's what the kids say nowadays.
Yeah.
There's a fire, I got an extinguisher there, I just don't know if it's worth it. Otherwise, he's got his there and I got one on the back of mine.
I got a beer.
Oh, don't waste the beer.
Rather the ours gotta burn down than waste the beer. Because either way, if it's gonna burn, we're gonna need something to drink.
At this point, And shout out to Snap-on. They got this really nice radiator kickstand.
It was on sale, 250 bucks.
That's it?
Yeah.
Man.
Came with a free soda can.
You can buy an entire Harbor Freight store for 250 bucks. Oh, the puppy. Are you still mad at me? Are you still mad at me?
Alright, let me do one more walk. That's right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still fits in there.
That's rated R.
That's it. Oh, you're right. Avert your eyes, children. I'm not gonna try to walk the bottom because there's barely any metal there, and we'll just cause more issues.
Burn through it.
Yeah.
I mean, with that much weld, if I fuck that up, I probably have bigger issues.
That much weld, as much heat as I'm putting in, and as thick as that is. Yeah.
If I break that off, that means Pro R.
You heard it here, so.
So the new little gussets are all welded in. Bolts move freely in and out, like so. So we're just gonna put the shocks back in loosely because we're gonna need longer hardware, and you know, I gotta wash some things. We're gonna have to paint it, but that's all gonna be at a later date. Yeah, so hopefully this doesn't happen again with these little buggers in there. I'm sure I'll find the next weakest link.
Yeah, that's right. Team chassis does.
I'm shocked he hasn't already.
Yeah. I haven't even looked for problems yet this year. This
Yeah,
I was
jiggling.
Close your eyes. Don't give it a jiggle.
I can almost, without doing it, I can almost guarantee that at least one ball joint is sloppy. I seem to always have a sloppy ball joint.
I already know you do it.
Huh?
You already got it. I already know.
Why, did we do this already? Did we shake it? Really?
Too far on the ground.
Yeah. First, it's got to end up being a complete machine, and then we got to get the shocks taken care of, and then we can start jiggling stuff. Maybe.
No.
It might just be time to ride then, and it is what it is.
No. Yeah.
Sounds like next year's problem.
Alright guys, that's it for stage 1 of Project Shit Show here. Shock tower mounts taken care of. We're leaving it apart because I need to wash it. I gotta paint the welds, and what else did I need to do?
What don't you need to do?
You'll see it in a later video when the entirety of this project is done, but we gotta pull the shocks back off. And yeah, the next thing you'll see on this will be Lou dealing with this area over here and over there.
Up to there.
But not so much here.
In there? Not here. Not there.
Not that limit.
Over
And
there.
figuring out that, yeah.
You're in the way.
I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Well,
I
you-
don't know where to go.
Just end it.
I'm trying. You told me to get out of the way. So I don't know when you'll see the next video on this. Lou's gonna need some time to stare at it because doing stuff like the custom doors and the fender delete deal, it's not really a there's not really a set blueprint for that. So he's got to stare and play with it, and he'll talk to you guys about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out our G-Life UTV affiliate link in the description below. You can use code Haggard5, save yourself some coin, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Went over your lips.
Because it only got worse.
All right. Let's go, man.
So,
Get to
we're
it.
going to tear it apart.
And then it'll be torn apart, right?
No.
I'm not gonna stand here holding
You
this
are
shit
the videographer
the whole
now.
time. That's ludicrous.
You got the camera.
You signed up for it.
Yeah.
You signed the dotted line stuff.
Cool party.